Online education for children. Hello kids, I'm a dragonfly and I'm here to tell you all about myself. I'm a fascinating and colourful insect that you might have seen zipping around ponds, lakes and gardens. My body is long and slender, with 2 pairs of strong, transparent wings that help me fly incredibly fast. I start my life as an egg, which my mother lays in or near water. When I hatch, I become a larva or nymph and live underwater for several months or even years. As a nymph, I'm a fierce predator, eating small aquatic creatures like mosquito larvae and tadpoles. I have a special extendable jaw that helps me catch my prey quickly. When I'm ready to become an adult, I climb out of the water and shed my nymph skin. This process is called metamorphosis. My wings and body dry out, and soon I'm ready to take to the air as a beautiful dragonfly. My transformation is amazing to watch. As an adult, I'm known for my flying skills. I can hover like a helicopter, fly backward and dart around swiftly to catch insects like mosquitoes, flies and bees. My large eyes give me excellent vision, allowing me to spot prey and avoid predators easily. I'm a great helper to humans because I eat many insects that are considered pests. My bright colours and intricate wing patterns make me one of the most beautiful insects. Depending on my species, I can be blue, green, red, or even multicoloured. These colours not only make me look stunning, but also help me communicate with other dragonflies and attract mates. Dragonflies have been around for millions of years, even before the dinosaurs. We are a very ancient and resilient group of insects. So the next time you see a dragonfly zipping by, remember that I'm a helpful and ancient insect with amazing flying abilities. Let's be friends and learn more about the incredible world of insects together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Cubs Corner for more exciting and educational content.